Hi, I'm Ross Wendell. I'm the quality engineer at JR Manufacturing, and I've been here for 20 years. So as a quality engineer at JR, I am responsible for the quality of all of our products. If there's any issues or any questions involving the quality of our parts, they usually get a hold of me. Our quality policy here is to ensure that we give our customers the best product we can and the best product out in the market. I actually started when I was 20 years old. I've been here for 20 years. I actually started just out on the floor, running machines, worked myself into the quality department as an auditor, and then went in, I was doing the CMM programming, and that's how I ended up in the quality engineer position from there. So I have 2 kids, and one of the great things about JR is our insurance. Our insurance is second to none. So they hold a lot of events all year as far as giving back to employees. Our Christmas party is a big one, and for a good reason. It's done very well. We have a whole week in the summer for Employee Appreciation Week, we call it. There's profit sharing bonuses that are given out here. We have quality incentives where once a month, if they meet them, they get an hour off on a Friday. Everyone loves that. So there's a lot of incentives here. Why I like working at JR is because we have a very global footprint out there, but yet we still hold on to our small town values. That's one of the things I love about working for JR Manufacturing. If you're looking for a great place to work, visit jrmanufacturing.net.